y'all, Nickie Brown here. No matter where you are, what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having a fabulous day. So, I came on here real quick. I was at the grocery store, and there was an elder lady who had one of the old school shopping carts, and she was loading it up, putting her groceries in it so that she can get on the bus and go home. So I did my shopping. When I came back, she was still loading up the cart because she was sitting in one of the wheelchair carts, and I really needed to use it, but I ended up getting another one. So anyway, the one that she was sitting in ended up being broke, so whatever. But anyway, she was still putting her groceries in her shopping cart. So I was like, you all right? You know, we finished talking. I was like, you all right? You need anything? You need a ride? And she said, no. She said, you know what? The last time somebody offered me a ride, she said, it was a guy who said, oh, you need a ride? And she said yes. So he said, oh, I got to make a stop real quick. And she said she thought he was going to stop somewhere in the area, but he ended up going like 25-30 minutes away to a little town here in Atlanta called Palmetto, which is about 25-30 minutes away from where we were, right? And she said he drove all the way out there, and they said, oh, I gotta stop and get something in my house. You want to come inside to get a drink? She said, no, I gotta go home and cook for my husband. And he said, you got a husband? And she said, yeah. He said, well, why did you get in the car with me? Or why did you want to take a ride from me, or something like that? But my question is, why did you offer somebody a ride? And that's what her response was, basically, you offered me a ride. Right? So my question is, why would you offer somebody a ride, if it's not out of the kindness of your heart? So you offer her a ride thinking that she was going to come back to your house and have drinks with you and what, sex after? Because that's what that sounds like. People try to say, oh, well, maybe he just wanted to talk. No, that don't sound like maybe he just wanted to talk. That sounds like maybe he was being slick. And he was trying to get something because he thought, and she is single, but she thought quick on her feet and said she was married. So he thought, I don't know, maybe people think that single means desperate, or because she need help, she willing to do anything. And there are